Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to swap faces in Pixlr. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Pixlr photo editor. So the first thing that you need to do guys is add an image from here, and the layers you're gonna find this little plus icon. Go ahead and click on it and then click on image. And after that, choose an image from your PC. For example, I'm going to choose this one. So right now you can adjust the image to the frame. So we're going to make it a little bit smaller. And then we're going to add the second image. So we're going to click in the same place, the little plus, and then image, and then select the image that we're going to add. I'm going to select this one. And we're going to adjust the size of the image. And then you need to go right here to the left side of your screen and search for lasso select. So once you click on lasso select, you can from here crop the face of the image. So I'm going to crop this face. So take your time to crop the face. So I'm going to crop it very quickly. This. And then once you finish, go ahead and right click on it and then click on invert selection. Once you do that, go ahead and click on delete. And as you can see guys, now we cropped the face. So once you do that, all you need to do guys right now is adjust the size. So now you can adjust the size. And as you can see guys, now we added the face to the image. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.